friends, it's Jenny and I am going to open something fun today. This is a little gifty from my friend Colleen. I put unicorns all over our package, which is already sparkly and iridescent. Look at that, guys. Ah, it's gorgeous and I love it. Now, Colleen told me that she was sending me this because just because she loves me and that she wasn't expecting me to do a video for it. But you know what, guys? I'm gonna do a video because I'm gonna do a video. Colleen did her December drop just about a week ago, a little bit longer. There's gonna be a link to her official reveal of what's in the December drop, as well as links to the items on her Etsy page. If you haven't already checked out, I recommend that you check it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. It's not a surprise, but it's still gonna be fun. So I'm gonna open it up and Colleen, you're getting an organization video because I have this perfect little 10 grid organizer that I think that this will fit perfectly inside. Hopefully I'm not wrong, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna try to do this sweet little organization with a Colleen collection. So just hang on, guys, bear with me. I haven't done this in one of this size before, but I think that this is like the perfect sweet thing and let's do a little, as she says, dump or do, this little sweet bundle. So a couple of promotional items that she did, she likes to include little promo gifts. Colleen Marie Designs, and look, she gave me a blue one because she knows I love blue, and a little planner that has the monthly planner, yeah, monthly planner that just has all the calendar days. And this is actually 2 years. Yeah, this is a two-year planner. It goes all the way through the end of October. And she gave me one with a beautiful mountain scene. I love the mountains. There's lots of blue featured in this. I feel like Colleen picked this just for me. Girlfriend, did you pick it for me? Because I feel like you did. I feel like you did. Now, if you order this bundle from her Etsy page, you also will get a pen and a little planner. And it'll be a random pick. Lots of great fun things that she has for that. But we'll set this off to the side. So pretty. I love that water there. Oh, and there's stickers. There's stickers. We get Christmas stickers. Yay, Christmas stickers with, the foil shine to them. Yay. Okay, but this is the thing. So she sent these to me. This was a gift. And like I said, she wasn't doing it so I would do a video, but I'm doing a video because I can. And it is her metallic. This is actually the mega Czech glass bundle because she's super sweet and generous. Both versions of this bundle, when I just checked, are still available. And the first one, we've got like the Czech metallic fire polish bundle. Has 6 strands of fire polish. 5 of them are 8mm, and they either have like a metallic coating like these ones do. I'll show you a closer look of all of these in just a minute. Or they are metallic lined. These are green with a gold line. And then there's a strand of 6mm that also has like a metallic finish on it. So kind of like metallic coated. And then if you get the mega bundle, so this bundle right here is $10, 6 strands of fire polish for $10. That's a super great deal. So I really recommend you check that out. And if you do the mega bundle, it includes these special etched designs, one with the tree, with like a rainbow vitriol finish against, I don't remember what color the base is on this, the green color here, and a strand of the dandelion ones. And I love the dandelion ones. I love both of them. I love all of this, but I'm especially excited about the dandelion ones because they've got that etched design on them, and they're just dreamy and fun, and I love the colors. So this is the mega bundle, and it is $22 on her Etsy page. So what I'm thinking is I'm pretty sure that each of these strands will fit in one of these wells, with the possible exception that these ones, because they're a little bit bigger, they might need to extend into another zone. But just like our 15 grid organizers, these are also customizable. So I can take out a section if I need to for those other strands. So I thought that we would do a really fun actual organizing of Colleen's little fire polish bundle into her own little box. And I'm going to show you each of these selections as we go. So we have these are jet with a silver coating on them. And I really love that. Aren't they pretty? These are the 6mm ones. And there's like, I think there's 25 of those. And then the 8mm, there's 16 on the strand. So you get an idea how much you're getting. I'm going to go ahead and put these guys in here. And then we have these ones. These are like jet with like a moody blue. I love a moody blue finish on them. Let's get them off this little strand. These guys. And you can see it is a very dark blue. I don't know what the actual finish is called. I think in her video she might say it. But like I said, that link will also be below, but you can see how that kind of catches it. So that's really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here. And then we have this one. This one is jet, another jet one, but this one has more of a copper or bronze finish. Let's see if we can get it closer to the light. I want to say this is more copper, but it might be a touch more brown for bronze. You can see some of that finish on it. I'm going to go with bronze just because it is so much darker. And I think copper, especially the copper finish that they use for Czech glass, is definitely brighter. But that's against the jet. And then let's do these guys. So this one is clear, or as they would call it, crystal, is the base. And this has like a more of a silver metallic finish on it. Super cool and crystalline. I like that. And I love how that fire polish shows through, and you can like even down to like the line inside. It makes everything kind of just sparkle and shimmer. I love fire polish. It's great stuff. I'm going to do that up here. And then I'm going to do this one. This one is also crystal, but this one is more of a vitriol finish. Yeah. I think I definitely get more of that kind of vibe from it, where it's going to pick up some more of like some of those golder tones. A little bit more aged looking. I like that. So we have those. Isn't this fun? And then we've got these guys. These are the green ones. I love this green. It's like peridot with gold lines. So it's harder to see. Let me get the strand off. You can tell a little bit on the actual thing here that some of that coating is there. But you're going to want to look close near where the hole is because they're lined. And it is this beautiful, like, I think this is peridot, but it reminds me of like emerald green and golden things. This would go really well if you're doing any, you know, Wizard of Oz themed things right now. This would go really well with that. And I think that they're really pretty. And I love green. I know Colleen does too. And I love these. These are probably, of all the fire polish in this bundle, these are probably my favorite. And I do like all of these, but this is probably my favorite because I love that bold green. Here's our fire polish selections. And then we've got our trees. Get this on here. And they might actually fit in a square all by themselves, but I might just give them more space just so I see them anyway. Better anyway, because I'm just going to fill up this this section. Oh, that one doesn't come out. The one's on top. Oh, okay. I might need to move some of these around. Hold on. So I thought that like the 15 grid, that they were all ones that could be moved, but there are 2 that can't be moved, and I'll show you here in just a second. But these are really pretty. It's like the chartreuse base, and then with like a iris, metallic iris coating on it. And that has like a lot of really great play with the color. Sorry, my light was a little farther away than I remembered setting it. Okay, so these 2 lines can't actually be removed. The other ones can. So I'm going to move my my other fire polish down. I'm going to put these here. And these ones here. Quick little adjustment. Oh, and then I drop them in with the other crystalline, but it has a different coating. I need to make sure that I'm separating them by coating, since I made that mistake. They popped over the threshold. Okay, now those are just the silver ones in there. Okay, silver and like the vitriol. So now we've got these little sections that can go down, and I've got my little trees here. How cute and fun is this? Ah! I love it. And then these, they're so pretty. Okay, so these are my favorite of the fire polish. I love all of them. And these are my favorite of all the beads in this collection, are these dandelion dudes, because they're so pretty and they shimmer and they pick up pastel light. Cool tone. Some of them go a little bit kind of yellowish, which does not bother me at all. And I just think they're delightful. These are absolutely delightful, and they are gonna go right here. Look at that. I love these. I love these so much. So thank you to my friend Colleen. This is such a great little grab. Like I said, these beads right here, this is $10, and then if you get the whole thing, the mega collection, which includes these etched ones, is $22. Links are in the description, as is a link to Colleen's video on her channel where she posted this. So I love this. This is so sweet. My little friend mail. But I just wanted to share it with you because I was excited, and it's fun. And it's my little December drop from Colleen Marie Designs that right now is still available. So go out and snag that, friends. Thank you. I hope you had fun watching this. Definitely hit like, subscribe to Colleen's channel too, and favorite her shop on Etsy so that you know what she has each month when she does a drop. But this was a lot of fun, and I love it, and I hope that you enjoyed this. So, as always, my friends, happy beading, and don't forget to play. Bye!